Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if there is a file is locked with a password. For example, if there is a protected file here, we have the one that has password, so it will show password like this. And imagine that we have another file that also locked, so you need to check what files are locked and what files they don't have password. For example, there is no password here, so you need to check all the files in the folder. So in order to do this, we just need to open Excel, and from Excel actually we can go to developer and macros, Visual Basic actually. So you can actually, as a shortcut, you can press Alt and F11. So I'll just press it. And you'll just right click this workbook, and then you will be like import file. This file actually, I will leave it in the downloads, so you can download it and you can use it. So this is its name. So from the files here, there is like a macro, and this macro actually checks if there is something locked. So you need only to run it from run. It will ask you to choose the folder, for example. So you need to go to the folder that you want to check that has the files, and you'll press OK, and you'll start seeing that this is a path of the file, and this is like if it has a password or so. We can see that the passwords, the protected ones, they have true. The ones that they don't have passwords, there is false here. So that's it. It is simple and easy. So I hope that you learned something, and I hope this is becomes handy and helpful for you. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. And thanks for watching.